COVID-19 has been a huge challenge everywhere in the world. There are some voices that say that the right response to COVID-19 is to isolate. And it's true that social distancing has become an important part of how we live our lives today. But actually, I think on a global stage, the right response to COVID-19 is to step up our efforts to work together and demonstrate solidarity. And I was delighted that the European Union was able, quite rapidly, while COVID-19 was still at a very moderate stage of development here in Kenya, to mobilise quite considerable support, be it to help businesses continue to employ people through the COVID-19 period, be it to ensure that the agricultural sector is continuing to function, and be it obviously in the healthcare sector. And in particular, we've been able to benefit from the work and the expertise of the Kenyan Red Cross. And today is very much part of this overall response, raising awareness, including access to protection equipment. And I think it's particularly important that we're offering support as well to the frontline healthcare workers, because it's through your courage and your commitment that actually this disease has been able to be contained, and we've been able to prevent a more widespread of the COVID-19 disease here in Kenya. Today we'll be handing over some small PPE. I hope this can also help protect you. I've been very impressed by what I've seen today. Listening to the Deputy Governor, over 165,000 people have been screened at this facility, and we all know that early detection and prevention is part of how to best respond to COVID-19. So it's great to be here. I want to end just perhaps with a word of thanks. Thanks for the very warm welcome. I was particularly impressed with your dancing skills. Mine don't stand anywhere near in comparison. And thank you more than anything else for your courage, putting your own lives at risk and serving the people and looking after the people. That has played an important part in also us being able to manage the COVID-19 challenges here in Kenya. So thank you very much, and I'm delighted to be able to make this small contribution.
But as you know, budget is always an issue, meaning that as a country we not always have enough resources to do all that we need to take care of our patients and to take care of our frontline workers. The more reason today we want to thank you, and of course the Red Cross, for this timely donation that will go a long way in helping our frontline workers to protect themselves in the event of exposure, and so keep themselves safe and keep their families safe as well. Now the EU is a great partner, not just for Kenya, but for this country. We have seen your footprints, Your Excellency, in many areas. We have seen your footprints in our health sector. We have seen your very strong footprints in the environment sector. We have seen your footprints, and we're glad that today we are accompanying you to one of our areas where those who are displaced by floods are taking refuge. We have also seen your footprints in many other areas, okay, within the country and within Kenya. We remember the EU Ideas project, which we implemented together in Moroni. On behalf of the government and the people of Kisumu, we really want to thank you for your kind support, okay, to the county citizens, because of your partnership, we have seen quite a bit of development in various sectors, as I've mentioned. I will be receiving this on behalf of the governor, but at this point, I just want to thank those who work in the healthcare sector within the county of Kisumu and generally in our republic. We know that it's not a very easy period for you from March. You have done all the best that you could to keep our county and our country safe by endangering your lives and standing in the gap for the sake of our people. I would like you to know that the governor appreciates your work, the county citizens appreciate your work, and indeed our partners appreciate you as well.